friends, today I'm going to tell you how to make this noodles, sumo noodles. And first take a boiling water and let it boil and add a little amount of salt. Salt, just a little amount. And a little amount of few drops of oil, that's all, so that it won't stick together. And then add the sumo noodles. So I have added the sumo noodles inside this and let it boil inside very nicely, and then we'll close the lid so that it will cook it very easily. So you can see I've just added salt and a little amount of oil in this, and then just dipping it inside, that's all, and we'll close the lid. Now take a pan, let all the water droplets go above it. We'll add little amount of oil. We'll add little amount of oil here. I have taken 2 eggs here. You can just, I'm taking this and adding into this oil pan. I'm adding it and I'm just frying it over and over. And before that, I'm going to add few amount of salt and pepper into it. So I'm adding little amount of salt, very little. Then I'm adding a little amount of pepper into it. And I'm just start frying. So I have taken out the egg here, and now I am going to see what happened to these noodles. So it has come out. I'm just going to drain it. After draining out, I'll apply a little amount of oil over it and then keep it under a fan to dry. So I'm taking it, I'm trying to drain it out. I'm just taking it and let the things drain out, and I'm going to place it over the plate. This is, I have made it to dry, spread it and dry, and let us start the pan cook. Add some more amount of oil and then add in the same pan you can add mustard, add amount of jeera, some dal over here. Then you can add onions, some carrots, green chilies, crushed ginger garlic. Now start frying it. some salt, some turmeric, some green chilies, coriander powder, some garam masala, just mix it all. Add some tomatoes and mix it well. Let the tomatoes get smashed. Add the eggs which we have fried before, and then add the noodles and start frying in this manner. And this is how the complete sumo noodles, and the sumo noodles is ready. Egg noodles. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you subscribe.